getting lead?
Got to jack the car up. What's the matter?
Fucking oil.
Oh, nice, dude. You're an idiot. All right, what are you doing?
Place the jack.
Where are you putting the jack?
The jack stand.
On the jack point?
Jack.
You jacking it? You're jacking it? Dude, that thing is a failure. Nope. Nope. Botch.
What?
Botch.
Alright.
His point. Oh. Okay. You jacking it? She's all jacked up. Now what are we doing?
You gotta find
Need a wrench.
oil pan. A wrench.
Yeah, what size?
I have no idea.
14 millimeter? Okay. It's the oil pan. Should be warm.
Yeah, I think it's this one right here. It's this one. This is a big one.
Oh, Christ. You're not upside down. You're facing the bowl.
So this way left?
No, that's tighty.
That would be the left.
Yeah, but you're on the bottom of the bowl.
That's what I'm fucking talking about. I forget which. Okay.
No. Yeah, there you go. No. It's gonna
What are you doing?
It's gonna shoot out that way.
And just let this go in there or no?
No. Keep pressure. Push the bolt in.
Okay.
And keep pressure and unturning it.
Okay, it's
a
about to
little,
go.
a little bit of drip.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Now you're making a mess.
Dude.
Put it on the sheet. All right, can you see the filter?
Yeah, right here.
All right.
Dude. You get fucking oil all over it.
You got oil everywhere?
Yep.
All right, you're gonna crack the filter, and oil's gonna rush out.
Well, it's gonna go over this cloth, so
Well, just use your hand.
Okay.
Just crack the filter and then let go of it and let it drip.
Wait. Okay.
Crack the filter, just crack it until oil starts running out, and then take your hand off of it and let it drip. Now you may have to go pee-pee. I could have given you rubber gloves, by the way. Beautiful. Look at that. It's like you've been doing it for 20 years.
Slippery.
Not really, though. You alright? Between a rock and a hard place?
Dude, I don't know. You had to like grease this or something like that.
There you go. Oh, okay. You can do it that way. Push it in. Make sure it's in there like it was. Yep. And now thread the needle. Alright, now you want to hand tighten that with a manly tighten.
Okay.
Not too tight?
Okay, I don't have as much grease on the head last time, so it's not as hard.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, now get your plug and clean the plug up with the rag.
Where's the plug?
I don't know.
Is it in there? No.
I know. Did you wrap it in that? I just heard it. Clean that baby up. You still have that rag?
I'm just using the bed sheet here.
Oh, okay. Snug her up by hand. Now, this is an important step. Take that rag.
Yeah.
And wipe that oil pan clean. As clean as you can get it. In a big circle all the way around that plug. And that's, you know what that's for?
So you can see if any drips out?
Yeah, if you have an oil leak later, you'll know it was your fault. You don't want to go crazy with that either. Just one good snug.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah? I don't know, you're kind of weak. Okay, that's good. What are you doing? You jacking it?
Jacking her down.
Is that what you're supposed to use this time of year?
That's what they had on sale.
Just flip it upside down. Stick it in there. Stick the neck in there. Flip it. There you go. How many quarts have you put in so far? How many quarts does it take? So what do you think? What do you think it'll be this time? Look at those skills. And you gotta wipe it. You just ran your engine. What do you got? Oh, it's barely on the stick.
Not even yet.
Yep, so you need a whole nother quart. What do you got?
Full.
Full, beauty.
That's good.
How much pressure?
33.
33? Really?
Wow.
That precise? How'd you find out how many pounds of pressure needed in the tires?
On the side of the driver's side door.
The driver's side door?